Alright, and we're back. First thing today, I just want to do a quick follow-up. You can see my stock radio is back in. That radio died on me after about 4 days. So I ended up, because they only give you a 30-day return window. Basically what happened, it was working fine for the first couple days, and after that, it just wouldn't pick up the GPS signal. Wouldn't hold the stations. The sound then turned to complete crap. So I think something internal went bad with the radio. And rather than screw around, I wasn't playing games. I didn't want another one, because my luck, I'd get one from the same batch. Maybe had a bad resistor or transistor in it. I don't know, but I said to heck with it. I did the return to get my money back, and I put my stock radio back in. So for now, I mean, that is what it is. Down the road, I may actually try to find a stock 8-inch radio and just put the, the stock radio in. And for the Apple CarPlay, maybe try to find like a 2019 up unit, because they do interchange. All right, see you guys in the next one.